In this session, I'm going to discuss about, for example, in the previous session, I given a use case scenario. You are having, for example, one RAM, and the RAM you stored the data 30, and from that RAM, if you want to display the data from this particular location in the RAM somewhere 30 is stored, from there to this computer screen, how the journey will be there, how this number will travel from this location to this location, we will see now. Okay, so how we will display the things in the screen? The C program will give you one way to give. There is a way, you just need to follow that and you will able to print whatever you want to print. So I'm not going to talk about anything right now here. I'm just going to talk about first of all the general things. For example, you want to print this 30 on the screen directly. How we will print that 30 or anything? Anything. Say example, in the RAM I have written my name. In the RAM I have written my name in some memory location. Obviously both are stored in different memory location. So I want to display this name of mine in the computer screen. How it will be done? So say for example, to display my name in the computer screen, the C program will give you a feature that is called printf. Means print for print the things and f for function. Okay, so printf is the thing. Printf, print the function. So like that, this is the way. So what is function, we will come to know in upcoming classes. It's very easy guys, and it's very easy to use. But in the childhood, you in the mathematics you also use some functions, but if you do not use, it's okay, it's completely fine. So this is the way of how to write a function. Function should be written like function name, function function name, followed by first bracket, second bracket, and semicolon. Okay, this is the way to represent a function. Means if you are seeing this bracket in anywhere, this means that is a function. Okay, so this printf is a function. You don't need to understand what is a function for now. So this printf is a function given by C program. I will show you how to use. In the rest coming classes we will see. Just keep patient, and for now just go with this flow. Just go with me and you will come to know how to use this function. So this printf function is telling whatever the things you will write inside this braces, and that thing whatever you will write, the C programmer will told make Dennis Ritchie make the C program in such a way whatever the things you will insert inside that thing will display on your screen. See how magical it is, right? So if you want to display your name, what you will do, you will simply write printf, can you kindly print this whatever the thing inside that in the computer screen. So I want to print Sanjit. Then after writing this, is it correct? No, I forgot to put semicolon. Put semicolon, and after putting the semicolon, the statement is complete. Don't forget semicolon at any moment of time. Now you after this, when the you run the program in the computer screen, automatically in the computer screen you will see an output is written Sanjit, like that. So guys, this is the program which is used to print the things. Okay, I hope you guys are clear how to use the thing. So this is the print statement. There are another statement, like another way of using the print. In our case, for example, there is a computer screen, and in this computer screen you want me to get a message. You want this kind of message should be there: enter x. You want like this: enter y. You want to design a software, and you want like the message should be like that: user will enter x and y. Okay, and you should get, you will give the sum of the number. So how to display this message? Now you little bit have idea how to display this message. What is the code you will write? I'm not going to declare x and y for a moment. Let's say it's already declared. I'm just talking about this print part. So how you will do, you will write printf semicolon and inside the message, so you will write enter x colon, whatever you will write will display on the screen. Again you want to display this message, you will write printf enter y, and that's it. So these two messages will be displayed on the screen. I hope this part is clear for you guys. Okay, so in this way we like print whatever you want. Let me take this example to one more step. And for example, uh, the same example, you want the user, for example, to enter. enter x, say somebody enter x the value, the user will enter the x value, enter y, and you want to show some sum of the number. So after entering this, this will be displayed. So how you will write? So if for example I am a user, I opened your website and your website is showing enter x, enter y, or in your application, whatever the app you develop. So I will enter x value like this, and here I will hit enter, and automatically a output will displayed over here like sum 30. So I want this kind of output and application should be done. So how we will do that in the programming? Let me give you a brief introduction, but it is not the end. I'm just giving showing how the things will come in the future. Still we are not entering in that. Okay, so let's see. And the first of all you need a see, let's draw this scenario in terms of variable. This is a scenario, this is a use case that I have to do. So for that you need some place where you will store x, 10 or 20. So say I am storing 10 over here. Say I need to store 10 over here. I'm This is the display level of a screen. I'm talking about on the screen how it look like, and the operation in the memory level how it look like. So see it's a screen, and in the memory how the things will go. Say 20. Okay, so I need some memory location where I will store whatever the user will give in the screen in this place, and this 20 in this place, and I will calculate the sum. Now I need one variable who will give me sum of that number. So let's say this variable name is z, or you can put sum. So z will do what? After the calculation, 30 will be stored in this location and it will display on the screen. So now from this picture I come to this picture. Now from this picture you will know how to write the code. Okay, so we are going to write first of all declaration int x y z. Now you are little more familiar about that how to declare the thing. So int x y z declaration is done. Now definition, x is having 10, say y is having 20. So don't write z is having 30. You are not supposed to calculate these values, guys. Computer will calculate. That's we are doing, right? Why we are writing program? We are just giving inputs. Output should be calculated by computer. If you are also calculating, then what is the use of the program? So z will calculate the thing. Z will calculate x plus y. Okay. Now this 10, this 10 actually, for example, how this message will come in the screen. Actually it will not. When you write x equal to 10, the 10 will go. Y equal to 20, but 20 will go. But you are giving 10 20 explicitly directly to this location. User can give 30 also, but how to change on the runtime this 10 to 20 we will discuss. But let me first show you how to display the output. The program is still not completed. Say z x plus y is 30 is here calculated. Now how to display this 30? You will display this 30 like printf, print f, and after that I'm not writing the complete code. This is not the correct code I'm going to write. I'm not going to write the correct code. It's not the complete. Don't keep in mind this is the correct code. But the correct code is I will explain in the upcoming classes, because I don't want to make the class complex in the first go. So I will print z. So when you write printf z, for a moment just understood like this. So what will happen? Your program will display the value of z on the screen. Okay, means 10 will come here, 20 will come here, and whatever the z is calculated on the RAM 10 become 30, and that 30 whatever is calculated is stored in my memory. I don't want to be only stored in the memory, just go and display on the screen. So when you write printf z, whatever the value of the z will go to the screen and will display like that. So still this program is not complete, but this program given you an overview how to write the things. So still we are not started writing the codes, and these things will come again and again when we will start writing the code. I'm just giving overview how the things look like. Okay, so this is all about how to print the things actually. Okay, there are lots of things like modifier and all those things will come later session, so we will look into that. So I hope this part is clear for you guys. So in the next lecture we will go and we will do live programming and we will write our first program in this course. I hope this up to this there is like I know if you are not clear it's okay, but it's clear is more than okay. You will very then you find the things will be very easy in upcoming classes. So whatever the things, if it is clear for you, and if you are not cleared yet, in the upcoming class when we write the code clear, so I will show how to download the software and start writing the code. So guys, see you in next upcoming classes. So see you and have a nice day. Bye bye.